Hi everyone, my name is Joros Fernandez. For today's video, I will discuss and introduce to you the parts and function of this car. The first is the roof. The roof protects the interior and the car from the elements of the rain and sunlight. The next is windshield. Windshield provides the visibility of the driver and the passenger and protects from the elements. The next one is headlight. Headlight provides illumination for the road ahead, especially at night or in low light conditions. The next is indicator light. Signals the drivers intend to turn, change lanes, or brake. Next is the wheel. The wheel support the weight of the car and it provides the action for movement. This is the handle. Handle, a mechanism used to handle, open, and close the car. The next one is seatbelt. Seatbelt is a restrains the driver and passenger in the case of collisions. The next one is the clutch. Clutch is disengage the engine from the transmission, allowing for gear shifting. Clutch. The next one is the brake. Brake is slow down the thrust of vehicle. Applying pressure to the brake pedals activates the braking systems. Next is the accelerator. Accelerator is to control the vehicle's speed, and accelerator pressing down on the accelerator pedals increase the flow of fuel to the engine. The next one is the steering wheel. Steering wheel is to control the direction of the car. Is connected to the front wheels through to the steering system. The next one is the horn. Horn is to emit and loud the system and to alert other drivers or pedestrians of the vehicle presence or to signal a warning. Horn. The next one is the review mirror. Review mirror is to provide a view of the traffic behind the vehicle. It allows the drivers to monitor vehicle approaching from the rear or assert of the safe distance to maintain. The next one is the gear lever. Gear lever selects the desired gear for driving in automatic and emission vehicles. The gear lever is to use to select between different driving modes. Gear lever. The next one is the handbrake. Handbrake holds the vehicle stationary on slope or when parked. Handbrake. The next is the speedometer. Speedometer displays the vehicle current speed. It's usually located in the dashboard and use mechanics to measure the rotation of the wheels and convert into the speed reading. The last one is the ignition key. Start and stop the engine, inserting the key and turning into the position of the activates an electrical system and engage the starter motor.